Howdy folks, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we're heading over to a house here in town where somebody pulled an old vanity out, and when they did, they broke a 3-inch stack in the wall that's got an 1.5 inch drain. We have to make that repair in order to put our new vanity in, so let's go check it out. All right, so there it is. It's 3-inch pipe, 1.5 inch, busted. I have to cut this thing out of here and make a repair so we can slide a vanity in. You need to be careful because there's copper water lines right up against this. That's like when they soldered that in. Look, that's all burnt from a torch and stuff. We don't want to replicate that or break a line, so I'm going to have to wedge something in there in order to get my sawzall there and cut this area out. Stuck a little bit down there. We're looking at, got to get that T back in there and connect this. There's not much room. This has a little play going up to the vent. I'm going to glue that T on right there. 3x2. We're going to put a 2 by 1.5 inch reducer bushing on there. Something like that. Try to push that thing in there. There where she goes, all the way up until we feel the bottom of the pipe. See how tight of a space that was trying to get the sawzall in there and then trying to work that Fernco into place? Yeah, so that repair's been made. Now we got to take and drill holes out in the side of the cabinet and slide that cabinet in sideways because she doesn't want to move a bunch of pipes. So here we go. There it is, the vanity. I got to drill a hole out here, and then one to accommodate the drain and slide this thing in against the wall. gonna have to come do some drywall repair and stuff, and painting. Hey, that's all the time we got for this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. See that tricky business right there? Making sure you're marked out just right so you could take a vanity and slide it in sideways with the plumbing and the piping and stuff, and making that tricky little repair in a wall without cutting a water pipe. You got to be careful on these kind of jobs, especially when you only have one shot to get it right. Thanks so much for hanging out. Until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.